Hello and welcome along our journey to Ypres, Belgium. So we are going to go and do a little bit of exploring regarding World War One. So what you've just heard is the song they played in the Menin Gate. So it was absolutely breathtaking, being confined in those walls with thousands of names around you and above you. The feeling was just absolutely extraordinary. So yeah, I wanted to make a little video and try and share our experience. I documented most of the trip, not everything, because I didn't want to spend the whole time attached to my phone or camera or whatever, but yeah, no. Also, this was my first outing abroad on a motorcycle. I haven't done it even in a car, but obviously I've flown abroad, blah blah. But no, so my anxiety was a little bit high, to say the least. So I just didn't know what to expect, but everything was quite smooth, and we had an absolute fantastic time. I went with a great bunch of guys, so yeah, I really hope you enjoy the video.
Well, we're here.
That train was so hot. Let me out.
Aha, here we are, many bonjours. We are in sunny France. I do apologise for the wind noise. I ended up hitting my muffler off of my media mod at Stansted roundabout back in the UK, and I didn't realise when I was on the Eurotunnel, I was like, where's that gone? But I think it was when I was itching my chin, so yeah, great. I will probably end up sorting out an internal microphone for the next trip, so I can talk and blabber on as I'm riding, rather than do it after, although it is a little bit easier talking about things after it's happened. But yeah, no. So here we're on the way to our digs. We've got about an hour and a half on the well, it's about an hour on the motorway, and then we hit the N8 and straight into Ypres, Belgium. So we're at the digs, the bike's parked up securely, we're going to have a beer and have some food. See you tomorrow. Here we are the next day. It absolutely hammered down the night we got there, and we were all tucked up, asleep. But obviously I was still awake listening to the rain, because I'm weird like that. We'd had a few beers the night before in the city centre, which was quite nice. Found a lovely little place to eat, and they're really friendly. We had a mooch around the next day, didn't go too far on the bikes, probably covered, I don't know, 30 or 40 miles in total, if that. It's probably a bit more, to be fair. But we ended up stumbling across an old Alpha garage where we fueled up. And then we had a mooch around in the city centre, but the Ardika Ypres rally was on, so where they had rally cars and all sorts of stuff. So that was pretty cool. I mean, completely unplanned. You'll probably come across the Ardika rally cars quite a bit in this video. Because they were absolutely everywhere. We went over from Thursday to Monday, and the rally event was Saturday and Sunday, which was our prime sort of riding days. It was really nice to see, actually, and cool to see. There's a few police cars, quite a few yards back chasing them, I should think. So after the Men in Gate ceremony, we actually went and saw in France the V2 rocket bunker, where it was produced. That place is incredible. It is, just a hint, take a jacket because it is cold down there. And like, it was 30 degrees on the surface, but it was minus 20 inside.
One day of rain, one day of laughter, one day of pain. Between highs and lows, between dreams and reality, we move forward on this journey of memory.
So here we are, nearing the end of our journey. I'd just like to say a special thank you to the staff at Captain Cook. The food was incredible. The service was none we'd experienced throughout the whole time we were away. So a very, very special thank you to them. They deserve it. So yeah, absolutely great job. Thank you very much for watching. Here we are on the Eurotunnel, about to go back into the UK. Woohoo! I mean, it was 31 degrees this day. It was absolutely caking hot for the journey home. At this moment in time, we were pretty ready to jump off the bikes and just get a cold shower, I think. And yeah, it was a really nice warm welcome when I got home.
Junior! Hello guys! Hello! No! Stop it!
One last thing, we have now got a date in the diary for the 25th or the 26th of June 2026 for our next trip, and that will be to Normandy. So like, subscribe, and await the next video.